With updates to several other Northwest facilities, the weight rooms are no exception and are being remodeled themselves.
The weight room just kind of needs an update. And one of the things that's unique about Northwest, Coach McNeil's taken such good care of things that our stuff still looks pretty good. We're going to be able to transfer our current stands and our current platforms into the small weight room and put all new updated stuff in the new weight room. Hopefully give athletes a little bit safer experience.
I think the weight room needs remodeled just because times have changed a little bit as far as equipment goes, kind of how people work out. It's always nice to have someplace kind of new, kind of fresh. Overall, main thing is types of lifts, how people lift, how people work out has really changed. So kind of our equipment needs to be updated with that.
Right now, I think we're doing new flooring, new paint, new platforms. Like platforms will be in the floor, all new racks and stands, and all new weights, like logoed weights. And it's going to get a major upgrade.
The changes that we made somewhat drastic. It may not look that way once Coach McNeil gets everything put in place. Probably the biggest major change is all of our platforms. If you now are in our big weight room, have a lip on it, which kind of really cuts down on your usable space. So everything will be embedded in the ground. So there'll be a lot more usable space.
As far as impacting athletic programs, anything we can do to enhance our student athlete experience and safety, and I think this does both of those things. I think everybody likes nice things, and I think we take care of nice things here and make them last a long time. So I think this will impact kids for a long time to come. The main goal is to improve student athlete safety and welfare, as well as continue to update every facility that we have in a timely manner, so that we don't have to get to the point where we have to update everything at the same time and incur a huge expense on the district or Coach Mac's fundraising account.
I think it'll be great, because from what Coach McNeil has done in raising the money, our bigger weight room will look so much better, will be a lot nicer. But then also with our fitness room, our smaller weight room, we're talking about taking out a wall, kind of extending that. But then we'll also bring his equipment that he has right now into his big weight room into our smaller one, and it will be set up. If you're in our weight room right now, we have like 3 on each side and a couple on the end. And it's really boxed in. This will allow us, with his old equipment coming to ours, to be able to put 4 racks on each side, and so it'll give us a lot more usable space as well.
We're hoping to get the remodeling done during Christmas break of next year. Coach Mac has done a good job and gone out and gotten bids and gotten a bunch of stuff ready so that it can be delivered right before Christmas break. We'll clean it out, paint, move stuff in as soon as we can. We're excited about everything we're doing with all of our facilities, from the auditorium to the gym to the proposed football stadium, weight room. Everything here I feel like is getting a facelift.
I think the biggest thing is Coach Harrington and I are in the fitness room a lot, and we are going to be kind of getting the fruits of Coach McNeil's labor. He has really put in the time. He's really got the money put into it. Our school's helped out a little bit with that, because of what he's doing is really going to impact so many people. A couple teachers are going to be impacted, and like I said, tons of students. And so he needs a huge pat on the back, and we need to all kind of rally behind him to make sure we can make this happen.
While still a long way out, the remodeling of the weight rooms is planned to take place over the course of winter break.